Someday I'm gonna do an actual driving stream from the mainland to the island. Probably go live on either TikTok or IG. Either it's gonna be live or just gonna be a sped up video of what the drive from the mainland to the island looks like. Then you see the difference between how crazy mainland drivers are compared to the sanity of most island drivers. You can do that someday, sometime soon. I don't know when. Alright, intelligent driving. What are you doing? Just go front, mom. Man, I wanna know about driving school. You already did a good thing by waiting. All you gotta now do is cut to the left. Alright, my fans, later.